How to cancel order on the Foodpanda app. If you are trying to cancel your order on Foodpanda, this is how you do it. So let's say while you are ordering something, you've accidentally ordered something that you don't want. Here is how you can cancel it. First, if you have already placed your order, this will be your home screen where you check out. So if you have tapped this place order option by accident, then in that case, what you could do is after the order has been placed, here you're going to have an option to track your order. So go ahead and tap on your order. And after you've done that, you'll be seeing the estimated delivery time. And at the top right corner, you'll find the help option. Just hit there. And once you've head to the help option, you will have different options here. So right at the bottom, you'll find the can I cancel my order option. Just tap on it, and then from here, you're going to have to tell a reason for cancellation by choosing one of the option. So you could choose something like I accidentally placed a pre-order or something else if that's on your mind, and then click on confirm. Once you have done that, you'll be asked if you're sure that you want to cancel your order, and excessive cancellation may prevent you from placing order in the future as well. Tap on yes. And as you do that, your order will successfully be cancelled. And if you were charged, the payment will also be reverted into your payment method as soon as possible. And that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.